So here's the project as we left it, and what we're going to do is, this project isn't going to change as far as looking at it's concerned, but we're going to play with some more of the blocks that Scratch provides, and you can see what's going to happen. So we're going to leave bat2 the way it is for the moment, and we're going to work on bat1, and this is what we're going to do. First up, we're going to rename the costumes: bat1, bat2, bat3, bat4, and we could name bat5 and bat6, and at the moment, because of the nature of the script, it doesn't really matter because it's flicking through costumes. But what we're going to do with bat1 is we're going to get rid of 5 and we're going to get rid of 6, and we're going to use 4 bats instead to get the same result. Now for that to happen, first thing we need is a variable. So we'll use a variable called count, okay, and we'll leave it sitting up there switched on for the moment, but we can get rid of it later. So we set our count to 0. The thing that we're going to replace is the next costume. We're actually going to keep track of it by controlling which costume we're actually using. So we'll start with the first bat, okay, and even if we run it now, it will still look the same. But if we get rid of that and replace it with this, okay, we need to increment, if you like, the bat costume number. 1 2 3 4 3 2 is what we want it to do when it actually works. So inside here there's going to be 2 repeats, a 3, and you'll notice, to save myself a bit of work, I'm duplicating like that, and I'm putting that back in there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to increment the count, and the way I do that is I'm going to put a change count in there and a change count in there. This one's going to go up, this one's going to go down, and the last thing I need to do is I'm going to set the count to 1. And if you think about it and watch what's happening to the costumes, let's run it first. It's not working, and the reason it's not working is because we need to do something with these. It goes to 4 and sits there. So we grab an operator, rather handy, and we join the name of the costume, which is bat, and the count, okay, join bat count, and we'll duplicate it because we need it there and we need it there. Okay, now let's see if we get a result, and let's look at our costumes to make sure we're getting a result. So yes, every costume still being accessed, and it goes down and up. It goes 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, which is rather interesting as well as far as animation is concerned. So you can have lots of interesting animation, and you can use the same image inside the sprite sheet in a different position, which is what's happening here.